भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्ठिकी। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद्भागवतम की जय। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुन्मितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्री चैतन्य मनोविष्ठं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। सब एक साथ मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपात्वमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनतारणं परमानंद माधवं। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद्भागवतम की जय। हरे कृष्णा। Please accept my dandavats to each one of you. Because of you all only I am able to utilize my time with you all. Otherwise, mind would be putting me in some ditch. Mind puts in ditch and ditches us. Both are true. So thank you so much. And thanks to Mahesh Prabhu and Subhashini Mataji for... Mataji was, Prabhuji was saying, this is not our house, Krishna's house. They have not even settled fully here, but look, we are having seva here. And to all the Prabhujis and Matajis, first of all for coming here and doing so much prasadam seva. Without that, we know none of the programs will function. So please accept my obeisances to each one of you. Hare Krishna. Okay. So anybody remembers Hare Krishna can come here, Prabhu. Can shift a little bit ahead. There's a lot of space here. Please move a little front. Kids, those who want to sit peacefully here and drawing or listen, they can sit. But they have an option to go out and do kids class. Hare Krishna. See, somebody can ask why so many sevas, so many programs are there in ISKCON, do this, do that, do this, do that. Why not do just one thing?
Everyone should engage.
Everybody just chant. Why read Bhagavatam? Why read Bhagavad Gita?
Variety is
Chanting.
needed.
Big round of applause for Prabhu. Because the mind, when you see the movie in 1 minute, how many frames it moves, so the mind is engaged. Like that, okay, mind you can फुसला सकते हैं माइंड को. अच्छा ठीक है, चैंटिंग छोड़ दे, भागवतम पढ़ ले भाई. चल भागवतम छोड़ दे, कीर्तन ही कर ले. कुछ तो कर. So where were we? What subject we were doing? Anybody remembers? Because I know last time was seniors were here. So who is discussing with whom? What were we discussing? Anybody remembers? Anybody remembers? Devhuti Mata. She is asking her son Kapil Dev. Variety of things. So there was, just very briefly, just to set the background because we forget, I forget. Prayan alpeshu sabhya kalau asmin yuge jana manda sumanda matayo manda bhaghe upadruta. So this is the problem. So forgetfulness definitely there. So when Devhuti was asking, explain the calamities of birth and death. Because first he told, do devotional service, all okay. But then Devhuti Mata realized, straight away, why? What is the motivation for doing devotional service? Why should I do? 3 times meal, Matajis are nicely cooking. Sometimes Prabhujis also try to do, but then Matajis tell maintenance is too much, get out. Like what Sita Rani tells me, you better don't cook, just eat. Because I have to do double work if you are cooking. Before cleaning, preparation, give me this, give me that. Meaning what you are doing there? Nothing. So then motivation comes from if we know about the calamities of birth and death. That was the summary in the beginning, right? And there were 9 things, 9 instructions Kapil Dev gives. First, everything materialistic created is going to destroy. We don't need any shastra for this. This is everybody's experience. Is it not? Second, every species finds satisfaction even in miserable condition. Nobody wants to leave that. Next, even in hell, the living entity takes delight. Chalo, yahi sahi. Yahi aanand lo. Like the pigs. वो भी hell ही है, but they are enjoying. Then we saw that the unsuccessful materialistic, he takes extreme care, but they cannot maintain the family. And then people treat that person like a dog. And kanthe gurguraye the. And then the children are saying, यार रात में सोने भी नहीं देता है. ना तो इसने इतने पैसे इकट्ठे किए हैं कि 3 बेडरूम ले लेता, तो अकेले कमरे में ही खांसता रहता. बेडरूम भी एक है, वहीं खांस रहा है, वहाँ हमको नींद कैसे आएगी? दिस इज द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ. I remember when I was studying, I used to go near Chandni Chowk, one tutor for taking lessons on accounting. There was one room, 5 people, teaching also there, cooking also there. I said, Baba, ye kya hai? Matlab, when you enter, you get shivers. We are very fortunate. More fortunate that Krishna has arranged all this. बार बार नहीं पाई है इस जन्म की मौज. God only knows after this goes. Suppose he puts me in that situation. It's beyond control. So when the old man is treated like a dog and is told shut up, and when he wants to, he's about to die, then they say speak, speak, and then finally dies. That was stage 1. So if one knows all these problems, one is a little bit enthused. Something we should do to come out of it. Stage 2. This Kapil Dev tells that Yamadutas arrive on Yamaha for the materialistic person. And 2 kinds of migration is there. One is to the spiritual world and one is to Yamraj Lok, Yamlok. Then they are given a special body so that Yatana can be, the punishment they can bear. Because that is what? Because he cannot give up. One more body is given. Then he is bitten by dogs, hot sand road, whipped, brought to Yamaraj, roasted in fire for meat eaters, roasted in fires, and is either made to eat his own flesh or others eat his flesh. And then he is put in 3 types of hell, Tamishra, Andhtamishra and Raurav. And practice is given. You want to be pig, then the practice is given to eat stool. So that when you actually eat stool, you still feel good. And after hell, the lower species, then higher species, then higher, then higher, then higher, in 8.4 lakh species, the person goes around and finally by Krishna's mercy, देखो बाजी अब तो तालियां बज रही थी, because human body is going to be formed. Hare Krishna. Then finally reborn as human. Now matter is not over. So now today I will request all the Matajis to confirm what is written, to what extent they have experienced it. Because unfortunately I have not experienced in this life. Okay, so Lord Kapila's instructions on the movements of living entity. Srimad Bhagavatam 3:31, stage 3. Now the living entity has come in the womb. First, Sri Bhagavanuvāca Karmana Daiva Netrena Janturdeho Papataye Istriyah Pravishta Udara Pumsoretah Kanashrayah. अब डिटेल्स, समरी तो दे दिया, वुम में आ गया, बट क्या हो रहा है देखिए. कर्मणा दैव नेत्रेण. कर्मणा इज as a result of activities. Daiva netrena. Daiv is supervision of the nature, Krishna's energy, or Daiv, Krishna's himself under his supervision, under his netra. So by based on the karmana, the Lord jantur deho upattaye, for giving a human body, Krishna what does he does based on the karma? Striyah pravishta udaram. Striyah is women. Pravishta enter. Udaram in the abdomen. But kaise? How the soul enters? Pumso retah kanashrayah. Pumso of the man. Retah through semen. Kanashraya. The soul is dropped as a kana, as a particle in the semen, for the soul to enter into the womb of the mother. This is science says so. All matching, correct? So the personality of Godhead said, under the supervision of the Supreme Lord and according to the result of his work, the living entity, the soul, is made to enter into the womb of a woman through the particle of male semen to assume a particular type of body. Prabhupada writes, it is not that the semen which creates life. It is that kana which is dropped into that by Krishna that creates life. Clear hai ji? Yahan tak. Let's go. Now it starts. Now Mataji will be able to confirm this based on what the gynecologists have been telling. Kalalam
Kalalam
Tvekaratrena
Vekaratrena
Pancharatrena Budbudam
Panjaratrena Vudvanam
Dashahenam Tukarkandhu Peshadya tatah param. Kalalam, mixing of the sperm and the ovum. Tva ek ratrena. The first night the sperm and the ovum is mixed. Pancharatrena budbudam. Fifth night it creates a bubble. Dashena tu karnakandhum. Dashena. 10th day it becomes like a plum. Peshi andam va tatah param. And then it becomes a flesh. I think gynecologists are confirming this. Correct? First night, the two are mixed. Fifth night, mixture ferments into a bubble. 10th night, it develops into a plum. And then it gradually becomes a lump of flesh. And then, I will not go into the shloka. First month, the head is formed. Is it true? भागवतम इज राइटिंग बिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स में आ रहा है वो. जिसने पूरा संसार बनाया वो ये बताना क्या मुश्किल है उसके लिए. He only created the process, right? End of 2 months the hands and legs come. Is it right? That's what Bhagavatam tells. Maybe gynecologists also must be referring. ऐसा हो रहा है. By end of 3 months, nails, fingers, toes, body hair, bones, skin appear. Organ of generation, eyes, nostril, ears, mouth and anus by the end of 3 months. Anybody remembers? Is it like that?
Yes.
Is it? 4 months. The 7 essential ingredients of the body come. Digestive fluid, blood, flesh, fat, bone, marrow and semen. End of 5 months, hunger and thirst make themselves felt. So the Matajis can confirm that the child starts feeling hungry at the end of the 5th month, it says. At the end of 6th month, fetus enclosed in the water bag is immersed, begins to move on the right side of the abdomen or the left side of the abdomen. Is it correct? In the water bag, the fetus at the end of 6 months, it says. So there is the movement felt after end of 6 months? See, if all these things are right mentioned in Bhagavatam and they are correct, then why the other things which we don't know about should be not correct? Logic, na? That means everything is correct. इतना detail किसको रहता है? Okay, Bhagavatam actually tells this, and you can try it out. If the entity is male, it begins to move on the right side. If it's female, she tries to move on the left side. विदाउट सोनोग्राफी भागवतम इज टेलिंग, ऐसा है भाई. Okay. And the fetus grows and remains in the abdominal residence of stool and urine. Markandeya Puran tells, in the intestine of the mother, the umbilical cord joins the mother to the abdomen of the body. So, water bag में अंदर है, intestine में connected है for feeding, and close by stool and urine. अभी अगला जन्म में किसी को चाहिए रोल्स रॉयस? ये सब झेलना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद भी दैट प्रभु वाज टेलिंग, पोमरेनियन बनेगा कि ह्यूमन पता नहीं है उस कार के अंदर. द चाइल्ड इज फेड बाय द मदर्स इंटेस्टाइन. साइंस सेज सो. प्लीज रिपीट. कर्मभिः चतुस्सर्वांग सौकामार्य तप्रतिक्षणं मूर्छाम आपनोति उरुक्लेशास् तत्रयः क्षुदितैर् मुहु कर्मभिः क्रमिभिः. क्रमिभिः मीन्स द वर्म्स. आस पास वर्म्स होते हैं बच्चे के. क्षत सर्वांग, those worms are eating the flesh of the fetus inside. वहां भी चैन नहीं है. बाहर मच्छर काटते हैं, अंदर problem here. I have completely forgotten all this, and all my activities are such that I will again do all this. Repeat. मूर्छाम. अच्छा, सौकामार्य. सुकुमार means बहुत सुकुमार, soft, tender. सुकुमार प्रतीक्षणम, every moment the worms are biting. मूर्छाम आपनोति. मूर्छा क्या है जी? अनकॉन्शियस बार बार होता है बच्चा. आपनोति उरुक्लेशा, परेशान अंदर से. त्रत्राय क्षुदितर मुहु, और बार बार उसको भूख लगती है. अब आगे चलते हैं और क्या होता है जी. प्लीज रिपीट. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर वुड बी मदर्स. श्लोका. ओके. कटु तीक्ष्णोश्व लवण रूक्षामला दिभिरूल बणे मात्र भुक्तैरु पस्पृष्टः सर्वांगोतिथ वेदनः. कटु. कटु का क्या मीनिंग है जी? कड़वा. तीक्ष्ण, तीखा. लवणा, नमकीन. रुक्ष यानी ड्राई. आम्ल यानी खट्टा. हाँ, क्या बात है. आदि भीर एंड सो ऑन. उल्लू बने हैं. तो जो माता है वो कड़वा, तीखा और ज्यादा सॉल्टी और खट्टा एक्सेसिव में खाती है. भागवतम इज टेलिंग. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, डोंट ब्लेम मी. Then what happens? Matra bhukter, that food which is eaten by the mother, upasprastha, it affects sarvango, पूरी बॉडी को. उत्थितः वेदना, और बच्चे को ऐसा खाने से पीड़ा होती है. प्लीज खट्टा मत खाइएगा अगली बार. इसीलिए डिवोटीज में जब बच्चे होते हैं तो दे फॉर्चुनेट जनरेशन, दे विल डिलीवर द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. तो फिर ये सब मेहनत करना अच्छा है. अदरवाइज खाली बस इफ वी हैव किड्स लाइक द पिग्स, तो इतना सब कष्ट दिया बच्चे को, माता ने फायदा क्या हुआ? So the translation, it says, owing to the mother's eating bitter, pungent foodstuffs or food which is too salty or too sour, the body of the child incessantly suffers pains which are almost intolerable. 331:8 tells, please repeat, placed within the water bag and covered outside by the intestines, the child remains lying on one side of the abdomen, his head turned towards his belly, and his back and neck arched like a bow. This we can see in the sonography. All of us have seen. Correct? Okay, ji. Now see the important thing. At that time, Bhagavatam tells, if the child is fortunate, he can remember all the troubles of his past 100 births. And he grieves wretchedly. What is the possibility of peace of mind in that condition? After birth, immediately the external energy, Maya, attacks and everything is forgotten. But inside, Krishna gives the facility to remember, भैया पिछले साल से भुगतता हुआ आ रहा है, अब बाहर जा रहा है, समझ ले क्या करना है. ये सब डराने के लिए नहीं है. Yesterday I was discussing something. बोले तो कुछ डिस्कशन हुआ. मैं बोला सुबह याद करो कि हम यहाँ नहीं रहेंगे, मरेंगे. तो वन इन आवर ऑफिस वन इट वाज क्या लंच प्रसादम विद डिस्कशन. ये तो बहुत डिप्रेसिंग है. वो बोला डिप्रेसिंग तो होगा, है नहीं एक्चुअली पता पड़ गया तो यू विल बी फ्री. लेकिन अगर डिप्रेसिंग है तो इंफॉर्मेशन पता होते हुए भी आई एम नॉट एक्नॉलेजिंग हाउ डिप्रेसिंग इज दैट. कम से कम पता तो पड़ गया. तो रियलिटी यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट वेदर यू लाइक इट और नॉट. इज गोइंग टू हैपन. ओके. Prabhupada writes, the worms are also born inside the womb and the child is also inside the womb. Therefore the worms and the living entity are brother sisters. Worms and the living entity, because both are born from the same womb. चलिए जी. नाथ माना ऋषिर भीतः सप्तवृद्धि कृतांजलि स्तुवीत तम विकल वया वाचा येनो दरेपितः. नाथ माना, कृपा करो भगवान. अब ये लिविंग एंटिटी क्या कर रहा है अंदर, जो डॉक्टरों को नहीं पता, उनको खाली यहीं तक पता था. करेक्ट. अब पता पड़ गया है अप टू हियर, बट दिस दे डोंट नो. नाथ माना, हे भगवान. ऋषिर भीता, द लिविंग एंटिटी. भीता, भीता मीन्स डर के मारे. फैंटास्टिक. वो अपील करता है भगवान से डर के बहुत ज्यादा. सप्तवाद्रिह कृतांजलि. कृतांजलि नमस्ते श्री राधे,
नमस्ते श्याम.
तो वो हाथ जोड़ के भगवान से क्या प्रार्थना करता है जी? स्तुविता, स्तुति, स्तुविता, प्रे करता है. तम, टू द लॉर्ड. विकल वया, विकल होकर के, मतलब विकल होके जब आंखों में जैसे आंसू आते हैं, ऐसे वो विकल होकर के अंदर क्या करता है? वाच ये न उदरो रपिता. वो अपील करता है भगवान से. किस भगवान को? जिन्होंने उसको उस स्थिति में उसके कर्मानुसार वहां रखा है. अब जी वो क्या करता है? तो स्टेज 3 में प्लीज रिपीट. आफ्टर हेल लोअर स्पीशीज रीबॉर्न एज ह्यूमन.
After hell,
लोअर स्पीशीज रीबॉर्न एज ह्यूमन. पुट इन वोम्ब ऑफ मदर.
putting womb of the mother,
फेड थ्रू इंटेस्टाइन्स ऑफ मदर.
fed through intestine.
Floating in amnion, which is water bag. Worms eating the tender flesh. Worms are also brothers, sisters.
Worms also.
Mother eats pungent food and living entity suffers immense pain.
Mother eats much in food when a living entities.
And then he prays to, or she prays to Krishna with folded hands.
Then he prays to the worship of Krishna.
यहाँ तक आ गए. अब आगे चलते हैं कि अब वो क्या प्रे करता है. समय क्या है जी? We still have 15 minutes. Fortunately here security guard is not there. अब महेश प्रभु भी अगर इवन इफ ही फील्स लेट हो रहा है तो बोले अभी क्या करें, ये भी पागल आदमी है. We have to tolerate him. We'll try to finish by 9:30. जंतुर्वाचा
Chandurvacha
तस्योपसन्नं
tasyopasanam
चितजगदीच्छयात् नानातनोर्भेव चलन् चरणारविन्दम् सोऽहं व्रजामि शरणं हयकुतो भयं मे येनेत्रशी गतिर् दृश्य सतो न रूपा तस्य उपसन्नम, तस्य यानी भगवान जो है, उपसन्नम उनको अप्रोच करता है, किस लिए? अवितुम, फॉर प्रोटेक्शन, जगत इच्छयात। वो कौन है भगवान? जो जगत अपनी इच्छा से, जो नाना तनोर भुवि चलच चरणार विंदम, जो तरह तरह से इस सृष्टि में आके चलते हैं अपने पैरों से, अपनी मर्जी से, उन भगवान को वो प्रोटेक्शन के लिए प्रे करता है। सोहम व्रजामी, मैं जाता हूं, व्रजामी सोहम यानी मैं, व्रजामी मैं जाता हूं, किधर? शरणम, इन कृष्णाज शेल्टर। हे अकुतो भयम, किस लिए? अभयम के लिए। आपन्न संस्कृति गोराम यत नामो विविशो बृगणम ततः सद्य विमुच्येति यद बिभेति स्वयं भयम, क्योंकि भगवान के नाम से भय खुद कांपता है। तस्मात् भारत सर्वात्मा भगवान ईश्वरो हरि श्रोतव्य कीर्तितव्यश्च स्मर्तव्यश्च इच्छता अभयम। वो इसलिए वहां पे जाता है। हरि बोल प्रभु जी, ड्राइंग अच्छे कर रहे हो। सॉरी है, यू हैव टू टॉलरेट थोड़ा सा। ओके, तो शरण में भगवान के जाता है, और ये न दृषि गतिर, उसको पता पड़ जाता है कि मैं जो यहाँ पे यहाँ तक पहुंचा हूं, मेरे कर्म के अनुसार भगवान ने मुझे यहाँ पे, he has made me. So point number 1, he does 3 things. Jantur, the living entity in the womb of the mother, he does 3 prayers. Number 1, the human soul says, please repeat. The human soul says,
The human soul says,
I take shelter of the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead,
I take shelter in the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
who appears in his various eternal forms
He appears in his various eternal form
and walks on the surface of the world.
and walks on the surface of the world.
I take shelter of him only,
I take shelter in him only
because he can give me relief
because he can relieve
from all fear,
from all fear.
and from him
From him
I have received this condition of life,
I have received this
which
condition,
is just befitting my impious activities.
which is just befitting my impious activity.
तो पहली चीज क्या करता है वो? He takes
Shelter.
shelter. These 3 things, चाहे पेट के अंदर हो चाहे पेट के बाहर हो, 3 things we have to do, which
Shelter.
we were trying to do inside. Outside also take shelter. बस फिर सारा काम. There are 2 methods. One is the rasta of law. You do this, you get this. You do this, you get this. Another one is the route of pardon. सब कुछ कर लिया, but presidential pardon. No rules will apply. If Sheikh Mohammed's car we are sitting and red signal is there and he crosses, any fine will happen? कोई फाइन नहीं होगा. कहने को we have also crossed the red signal, but we are sitting back seat. चलो भैया जाओ. So like this, I take shelter of him. That is the first thing. Second, देह अन्य
Deha anya
विवरे
vivare
जठराग्निना सग्र विनमूत्र कूपपतितो
upapatito
भ्रशतप्त देह
shatapate
इच्छान इतो
icchan
विवसतुम गण्यान स्वमासान निर्वासयेत
nirvasayeta
कृपणधीर
kripanati
भगवान कदानु.
bhagavan kadanu.
Then he says, Dehi anya deha. I am myself embodied and I am sitting in somebody else's body. Intelligent है? उसको पता है कहाँ बैठा हूँ मैं. He says, I am the embodied soul and I am sitting in somebody else's body in the abdomen. But Jatharagna, but because of the heat of all the gastric which is there surrounding, I am feeling the heat. And with Mutra Kupa Patita, I have fallen into the stool and urine place. And this is scorching me a lot. इच्छान इतः विवसितम. अब मैं इससे बाहर निकलना चाहता हूँ. शेल्टर किस लिए ले रहा है? For what? That I want to get out of this condition, this prison. हमारे पास में बड़े वाले घर हैं, अंदर छोटा वाला घर था, बट है तो प्रिजन ही. सो सिमिलरली हियर, वेदर इनसाइड और आउटसाइड, द प्रेयर इज भैया यहाँ से निकालो. एंड निर्वास्यते, मेरे को कब छुट्टी मिलेगी भगवान कदानु, व्हेन आई विल बी रिलीज्ड. तो शेल्टर लेने के बाद में एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि भैया आप कब मिलेगी, बिकॉज अब शेल्टर हो गया, अब होगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग ही सेज, सोहम वसन्नापि,
सोहम वसन्नापि,
सोहम वसन्नापि
सोहम वसन्नापि,
विभो बृहद खवासम
विभो प्रकृतस्वागो
गर्भान्न
कर्मान्
निजिगमिषे
निजिगमिषे
बहिरंधकूपे
वैरन्धकोपे
यत्रोपयातम
यत्रोभ्यातम्
उपसर्पति
उपसर्गति
देवमाया
देवमाया
मिथ्यामतिर्यदु अनु
विद्यामतिर्यद्मनो
संस्मृति चक्रमेतत्.
संचक्रमेण.
And then he says, I will go do directly translation. Please repeat. Therefore, my Lord,
Therefore, my Lord,
although I am living in a terrible condition,
although I am living in terrible
I do not wish to depart from my mother's abdomen,
I do not wish to depart
to fall again
to fall again
into the blind well
into the blind
of
well,
materialistic life.
the materialistic life.
Your external energy called Dev Maya
Your external energy called Deva
at once captures the newly born child,
and once captured the newly born
and immediately false identification,
and immediately false identification,
which is the beginning of cycle of continual birth and death,
which is the
begins.
begins.
So you see, in the first one he was saying, when I will be released. Here he is saying, I don't want to even come out. Because at least he knows that here at least he has this consciousness. Outside he'll forget immediately. So this is what our learning is. That yes, we are praying for the release. But whether inside or outside, we should be very careful that all the time, unless, क्या है वो, देवी मयि गुणमाया महिमाया दुरत्तया मामेव प्रपद्यन्ते माया ते मेताम तरंती ते. तो इसलिए शेल्टर ले लिया उसने कि अंदर हो चाहे बाहर हो, मेरे को आप जो भी है शेल्टर में रखो. मैं बाहर नहीं आना चाहता, बट बाहर आया तो आपकी शेल्टर में हूँ. दिस इज द मैसेज ऑफ द लिविंग एंटिटी. एंड द फाइनल वर्ड्स which he says, which we have to remember, tasmadaham
तस्मादहं
vigata vikalva
विकतकल्प
udharishya atmanamashu tamasah suhridatmanaiva bhuyo yatha व्यसनम एतादनेकरंध्रम मामे भविष्यद उपसादित विष्णुपादः. He says, Tasmat, therefore, aham, I. What will I do? Udharishya, I will deliver Atmanam, myself. Living entity is saying, I will deliver myself. How will he deliver? By Upasidata Vishnupadah. By remembering Krishna's lotus feet and doing devotional service, I will deliver myself so that Bhuyo Yatha Vyasanam Etat Anekarandram, so that I don't have to go from one womb to another, to another, to another, to another. So two things basically. One, shelter. Second, doing devotional service, keeping Krishna's lotus feet at the mind, whether inside or outside. That is what will ensure that we are not coming back to this temporary world where all the bodies are getting killed by, Prabhupada writes, by the imperceptible time. We think it is not happening, but it is happening. That is called imperceptible. So conclusions, please repeat. I take shelter.
I take shelter.
Please let me be out.
Please let me out.
But I don't want to be out
I don't want to be out.
if Maya is going to capture.
If Maya is going to capture
And to save from this,
and to save from this
lotus feet of Krishna,
lotus feet of Krishna,
devotional service
devotional service
can only save me
can only save
from
me
entering the wombs of many mothers.
from entering to the wombs of many mothers.
ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे. Yes.
क्वेश्चन था.
Yes, one by one.
Child starts listening in which month?
It was given, I think, 5th, 7th, or I can tell you. When the ear is developed, it is given there.
I want that month.
But see, what happens is, if you want to make listen something, one should be, it starts with Garbhadhan itself. It is because the living entity is coming as per the arrangement, Karmana Daivanetrena, as per the arrangement. We have seen sometimes the father is very pious, but the sons are not. Kashyap Muni and the Rakshas. Reverse is also true.
Yeah, Hiranyakashipu.
Hiranyakashipu and Prahlad Maharaj. So the Karmana Daivanetrena. So there is a variety of arrangement. But if you see Uttara and Abhimanyu, he heard. But okay, that information is.
3 months, hands, legs, and nostrils. And
Prabhu remembers.
end of 3
See,
months.
Prabhu's condition is much better than mine.
No, Prabhu,
I have to go here.
I wrote down, Prabhu.
Oh, Haribol.
It's even worse.
Yes, Prabhuji, it says here, end of 3 months, Prabhu. Nails, fingers, toes, body hair, bones, skin appear, organ of generation, eyes, nostril, ears, mouth and anus. Yes, Prabhuji.
प्रभु ये soul transmigration का थोड़ा if you can explain a little. So it's described it's coming in semen, it's going from there to the woman body, and from there all the progress happens.
Then again
From
stage
where
1,
it
2,
is
3.
coming, from where it is coming.
See,
It's not here. So
yes, good, very good
just,
question. Yeah.
The root.
Yeah. See, unlimited spiritual world, Prabhupada writes, there is a small portion, 1/3 or whatever, just for materialistic understanding. There is material nature, where with the help of, he glances with the help of Mahat Tattva, that is created. Now, why we are here? 2 reasons Acharyas generally give. 1, it's a game. निकल के दिखाओ इसमें से. That is 1. 2, we have little independence. So we said, हम खुद ऐश करेंगे, भगवान आपके साथ नहीं करेंगे. अब unfortunately the sunshine cannot say that I will be independent of the sun. How can it say? The moment you de-link from the sun, it is no more sunshine. It cannot happen like that. You have to enjoy like that. The body organs cannot say, I will separately enjoy, but I will not give food to the stomach. उसके बगैर होगा नहीं ना. It is not slavery. It is part and parcel. वो एक ही है. एक छोटा अंश है, एक बड़ा है. बस इतना ही है. So we want to enjoy. तो भगवान ने कहा ठीक है भाई, एंजॉयमेंट करना है तो फिर पकड़ो सेंस, ये वो सब नकली चीज बना के देते हैं तुमको. हमारे ऑफिस में एक लेडी, उसका नाम है असली. शी इज फ्रॉम टर्की. तो हम उसको हमेशा पूछते हैं वेयर इज नकली. तो वो असली है नकली. बट वॉट इज नकली इज ऑल्सो पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ असली. See, in the Nirakar thing, they say Brahma Satya Jagat Mithya. Why they tell this is, actually they are not telling it is Mithya, but so that we are not trapped in it. Because we are so much engrossed with it. To come it out of that, they say, consider it as Mithya. That is the real meaning. It is temporary by mat phaso. But after one understands, one sees that this also is part and parcel of Krishna. वासुदेवम सर्वमिति सा महात्मा सु. मैं तो रटा रटाया बोला, बट दुर्लभ जो है महात्मा दे नो कि वहीं से आया है. इसलिए फॉरगेट देवतास. पत्थर को भी, डर्ट को भी, ड्रेनेज को भी क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर सकते. क्रिटिसिज्म पे आई हर्ड वन. अभी टाइम तो हो रहा है 9, ओके 2 मिनट और है 9:30 में. महेश प्रभु सुबह कोई जाने का प्रोग्राम तो नहीं है ना कहीं सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग? बोले यार कल सुबह प्रभु जी ने बुलाया है ब्रेकफास्ट पे, ये तो लंबा जा रहा है अभी. See, once what happened, there was one king and there was कर्मणा दैवनेत्रेण. Who says Bhagavatam is boring? Anybody says? Some people, अरे भागवतम बड़ा serious होगा कुछ, huh? Okay, so what happened? The king was making prasad for a lot of devotees. Cook was a, क्या बोलते हैं, double initiated devotee बना रहा था वो. On the top, it was in open. You heard this? Okay. On the top there was one eagle, and the snake was in the paw. The snake was trying to save. So the snake left poison on the eagle. Eagle को तो लगा, but one small drop came in the pot. That pot is mixed and is given to the devotees, and they all got killed. अब Yamaraj is in dilemma.
Who will take?
Who will take the? Is it the eagle? अरे eagle का तो काम है सांप खाना. Is it the snake? अरे भाई वो तो अपनी जान बचाएगा. Is it the cook? उसको तो बेचारे को पता ही नहीं है. Is it the king? उसको क्या पता? Is it the those who got killed? वो तो बेचारे प्रसाद खाने आए थे. So now Yamaraj is saying, अरे यार फंस गए. क्या किया जाए? किसको दोषी ठहराया जाए? इसको किसी को तो देना है इसका फल. So after some time what happened? There was a party in that village. Some party was coming from another village. And they were coming. So they were asking, where is that king? Where is his palace? So somebody said, here, there. There was one old lady. They asked, Mataji, where is the palace? Mataji said, palace to beta udhar hai. But I tell you,
Okay.
that king is not a good person. He killed so many. And Yamaraj said, I found the person who has to be punished. The moment you criticize, एक proportion is given to the person who is criticism. मैं तो ये बोलता हूँ कि criticism should not be done for selfish reason. What is that selfish reason? Any guesses? चलो भैया हो जाए. है जी? Sense pleasure, very good. Why it should not be done? For a very selfish reason. हाँ भाई, अरे बोलो ना यार. हाँ, मटेरियल वेरी गुड. संस्कार ऐसे हो जाएंगे. वेरी गुड. These are all right things. But see, the moment you criticize ना, your mind will not be at peace. The person we are criticizing for is sleeping nicely. His wife is complaining, खर्राटे मत ले. Correct? Like my wife complains. भाई यार. But the one who is criticizing, that person, Bhagavatam tells it's called self-envy. Can envy be self? It is called self-envy. So therefore, I cannot sleep in night. My mind is fixated on that. I cannot enjoy real life. Because those thoughts are troubling me, right? So this is a selfish reason now why not to criticize. But the problem is thought will come. तो क्या करना है उससे दूर हो जाने का. थोड़ा distance. Because when you will see, इसने ऐसा किया था मेरे साथ. किया था तो किया था. If you see Krishna's hands must be, I would have done also something to that person. वो तो मुझे कभी बोलूँगा नहीं. पता भी होगा तो भी नहीं बोलूँगा. इसने क्यों किया? That is the problem. So इसलिए दूर हो जाए. Basically save our mind. If see, some people say गुस्सा नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर गुस्सा करने के बाद में you are peaceful, जरूर गुस्सा करो. जैसे ऑफिस में, correct? You have given some work to your team members. That fellow is of the philosophy. मेरा एक जानने वाला था मैकडर्मट में. He used to say, राहुल, ऑफिस का काम तो कोई भी कर लेगा, पर्सनल काम तो मुझे ही करना है ना. So what work should I do in office? बोला यार नहीं पता ठीक है तेरा. So those people, they will never do proper work. They don't know that the joy which you do by doing proper work for Krishna is of a different experience. So अभी क्या करोगे आप? उस पर गुस्सा होगे कि नहीं होगे? उसको जोर से गुस्सा होने का. तो somebody can say इसमें भगवान है, अभी गुस्सा क्यों रहे? अरे भगवान, आपने ऐसा लेजी का रूप धर के आए हो या चोर का रूप धर के आए हो तो आपकी पूजा डंडे से ही करनी पड़ेगी. नहीं करोगे तो प्रभु कृष्णा विल नॉट बी हैप्पी. If a thief comes and then you say, I am not going to hit him. He has got Krishna inside himself. But Krishna has come in the role of a thief. Then I'm the policeman role. I have to beat him. Because then you will be relaxed. If you don't, then in the board meeting you are the head. You have to listen. सोच लो कौन सा झेलना है, ये वाला कि वो वाला. तो गुस्सा जरूर करो, अगर वो करने के बाद आराम पड़ता है. आराम तभी पड़ेगा when it is a righteous anger. जैसे हनुमान जी ने गुस्सा किया था, अंगद ने किया था, अरे तेरे तो ले ये पैर हटा के दिखा, क्रोध में उसका एक हिला नहीं सका वो. बट ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. अदरवाइज इफ दैट एंगर इज गोइंग टू डिस्टर्ब द पीस ऑफ द माइंड, वहां से निकल लेने का. भैया आप संभालो. ग्रंथ राज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, काल की जय भैया. चलो ये बच्चों को बुलाओ, थोड़ा हो जाए. हाँ प्लीज प्लीज ऑफ कोर्स.
Prabhu, in the first prayer, is the mother's womb, that's giving Kitty, you got the realization.
Yeah.
Then he surrendered to Lord. He
Yeah.
took the shelter of the Lord.
Yes.
And he also got consciousness that the material life and all.
Yeah.
Then why he did not got release that they are living the material world? Because he surrendered to Lord.
Yes, very nice point, Prabhu. Karmana daiva netrena. He has realized for some time, but he has not reached that situation where completely everything is wiped off. Application process to the president takes some time. Today you give him, tomorrow he will not sign. He will first look into it. Have you improved? Have you done something good? Are you trying to be good? Are you doing what you are saying really? तो उसको चांस दे दिया, बाहर भी चीजें दे दी. अब ही सपोज टू डू समथिंग. अगर सभी कुछ हो गया तो वो आता ही नहीं था. इफ ही वाज दैट सिचुएशन. सो सिमिलरली इन आवर आल्सो, बाहर आने के बाद भी तो यही है ना. समटाइम्स वी सरेंडर, लेकिन पूरा तो नहीं हो गया ना कंप्लीट, बिकॉज कंप्लीट करना बाकी है अभी. हाँ, तो क्या है, जब लोग जाते हैं गंगा जी में नहाने के लिए, गंगा जी में नहाने से सारे पाप धुल जाते हैं, लेकिन वो सारे पाप एक पेड़ में बैठे रहते हैं. जैसे ही वो बाहर आता है, चलो फिर से वही झूठ बोलना. भाई वो बंद करो तो काम हो जाएगा. कृष्णा विल पार्डन प्रोवाइडेड इट इज नॉट रिपीटेड इंटेंशनली. ऐसा कोई भी बंदा नहीं है जो जिससे गलती ना हुई हो. इम्पॉसिबल है, इम्पॉसिबल है. तो इसलिए रिमाइंडर आ जाता है. यस, इज इट ओके प्रभु? हरे कृष्ण. हाँ,
यही क्वेश्चन मेरा भी था, बट थोड़ा आगे की आगे आने के बाद फिर से रीस्टार्ट होता है.
नहीं देखिए ऐसा है,
बच्चे का दिमाग बिल्कुल नहीं रहता ना, जैसे वो आता है वो सारा कॉन्शियसनेस भूल के आता है. शुरुआत में ऐसे
Yes.
लगता है, तो रीस्टार्ट.
so there is something called prarabdha. It is like if you don't do anything, this is the direction you will take, but little independence still is there. Krishna will give both the options. दारू पिएगा या चरणामृत पिएगा, मांस खाएगा या वेजिटेरियन, सबको चॉइस थोड़ा सा भगवान ने दिया है, इंफॉर्मेशन भी दिया है, लेकिन अपने हिसाब से जा रहा है. बट अगर उसके मन में कहीं से, इसीलिए है अब मोहि भा भरोसा हनुमंता, बिनु हरि कृपा मिला ही नहीं संता. वो डिवोटी के साथ जब एसोसिएट होता है तो उसके दिमाग खुल जाता है, अरे मैं क्या कर रहा था, बिकॉज अपने आप ध्यान ही नहीं आता. सो मेनी टाइम्स आई एम टोल्ड, अरे भाई क्या कर रहे हो, ऐसे करना चाहिए. अरे हाँ, दिमाग की बत्ती जल गई.
And I guess प्रभु इसमें डिलीवरी का बात का एक श्लोक है which mentions कि during that period जो शॉक होता है kid को, that he forgets.
आने वाला है वो. Actually the child, okay, because of the time, the child does not cry for anything else. She cries for this reason, that inside I was safe from Maya. Now he or she is crying that now I am entangled in Maya. इसलिए रोना आता है उसको. माँ बाप खुश हो जाते हैं, बच्चा रो रहा है. हरे कृष्णा. मेरे संतोष प्रभु. लो भैया आपका अस्त्र इधर है. मृदंगा है नहीं प्रभु. प्रभु साहिती, यू विल हैव द. ओ चालू हो गया चालू. नहीं हो गया प्रभु. कैन आई हैव दिस?
Which one?
Mobile. हाँ, it's working. I think it will work for some time. है?